Imagine driving a luxury mansion on wheels that combines the bold styling of a heavy-duty truck with the comfort of a premium home. Today, we're taking a close look at this incredible Kenworth-inspired luxury motorhome concept. While this appears to be a digital concept rather than an officially released production model, it offers an exciting vision of what the future of RV travel could look like. The first thing that grabs your attention is the striking yellow exterior. The bold paint finish gives this motorhome a premium and eye-catching appearance, while the large chrome grille, aerodynamic hood, and polished vertical exhaust stacks deliver the unmistakable presence of a classic American highway truck. Every angle reflects confidence and luxury, making it stand out from conventional built on what appears to be a heavy-duty truck platform. This concept is designed to handle long-distance travel with ease. If this vehicle were produced, it would likely use a powerful 15-liter turbo DIE-SEL engine producing between 500 and 600 horsepower, with torque exceeding 1,850 pounds-ft. That kind of performance would allow the motorhome to cruise comfortably on highways while carrying all the weight of a fully equipped luxury living space. The expected transmission would be a modern 12-speed automated gearbox, providing smooth gear changes and improved fuel efficiency. Advanced air suspension would enhance ride comfort, while heavy-duty disc brakes and electronic stability systems would ensure safe handling even on steep mountain roads or during long cross-country journeys. One of the biggest highlights is the spacious living area. The extended body features multiple large windows that allow natural light to enter the cabin. A slide-out section expands the interior, creating additional space for relaxing, dining, or entertaining guests. The layout could easily include a luxurious lounge with leather seating, a large smart television, premium sound system, and elegant LED ambient lighting throughout the cabin. The kitchen would likely feature high-end appliances, including a residential refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, dishwasher, and generous storage cabinets. Premium countertops and soft-close cabinetry would complete the upscale design, whether you're preparing breakfast or a full family dinner. The kitchen would offer the convenience of a modern home. Moving toward the rear, the master bedroom could include a king-size bed, spacious wardrobes, and additional storage compartments. The bathroom would feature a full-size shower, luxury vanity, modern toilet, and high-quality fixtures, offering hotel-level comfort while traveling across the country. Technology would play a major role in a vehicle like this. A large digital driver display, touchscreen, infotainment system, 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, collision mitigation braking, and wireless smartphone connectivity would likely be standard features. Solar panels, lithium battery storage, and an onboard generator would provide reliable off-grid power for extended adventures. Despite its impressive size, this motorhome would be designed for stable highway performance. The long wheelbase, multiple rear axles, and advanced suspension system would improve stability during long-distance driving. Although fuel economy would naturally be modest because of its size, efficiency improvements from modern diesel technology could make it more practical than older luxury coaches. Now, let's talk about pricing. Since this is a concept, there is no official manufacturer pricing available. However, based on similar ultra-luxury, a production version could reasonably start around $900,000, a fully customized model equipped with premium furniture, advanced technology, solar systems, luxury appliances, and bespoke interior finishes could easily reach $2 million or more, placing it among the world's most exclusive recreational vehicles. Overall, this Kenworth-inspired luxury concept represents an exciting vision of premium road travel. Its commanding design, powerful performance potential, spacious interior, and luxury features make it an ideal dream vehicle for travelers who want to experience the freedom of the open road without sacrificing comfort. While it remains a concept, it demonstrates how future luxury could combine heavy-duty engineering with five-star living. creating the ultimate home on wheels for unforgettable adventures.